In today's video, I will be showing you how to clear the startup cache for your Firefox browser. So by clearing the Firefox startup cache, if you've been having any issues with Firefox starting, this hopefully will fix any issues for you, and also it might help speed up the amount of time it takes for the browser to launch. So to do this, all you need to do is open your Firefox browser, go to the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then go on to Help. You now need to go on to More Troubleshooting Information. And over here on the right where it says try clearing the startup cache, just simply click on Clear Startup Cache. So this window will now pop up and it's just telling you that it won't change any settings or remove extensions for you. So go on and click on Restart. And there you go, we have now cleared the startup cache for Firefox. So hopefully this fixes any issues for you, and I hope this video did help. If it did, hit that like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.